What's up, YouTube? So today we are going to do some some tractor trailer cooking. What we got here is we have a ribeye steak that was grilled up at the house, vacuum sealed the way I always do it. And what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and slice this ribeye into thin strips. Pretty good cold. Once we got this ribeye sliced up, we're gonna make a very, very tasty creation with it. So this ribeye is left over from last time I was at home. Grilled up some ribeyes with the family and took the leftovers and vacuum sealed them up for the truck. And now we are going to create a gourmet tractor trailer meal. Alright, so now you see we got ourselves some sliced up pieces of ribeye. And we're going to take this sliced up pieces of ribeye and I've got some Gouda cheese here. I take this and I'll buy a big old block of Gouda and I'll throw it on a slicer at the house and I'll cut cheese slices with it. This one here kind of got stuck together, so it became all crumbly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and crumble this up and pick these little slices apart and put them all over this steak. And Gouda is it's a good cheese for melting. Doesn't get all gooey and creamy like American does, but it melts pretty good. We're going to throw this here in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Microwave tray bounces around when you're driving down the road. So we're going to throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And what it's going to do is it's going to melt that cheese and it's going to heat that steak up and it's going to render some of that fat down. Alright, so while that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and get it ready for plating. And a staple that I keep on the truck, some good old-fashioned taco bread. It lasts a lot longer than a regular loaf of bread, and generally about the same amount of calories, 2 slices of bread, but it takes up less space. You ain't got to worry about smashing it, and it doesn't go moldy as quick if you don't use it all the time. And I'll wrap sausages in it. I'll make tuna fish wraps or whatever. Just a good all-around vessel for truck stop food. Alright, so we got our cheese all melted and our steak's nice and warm. It didn't overcook it to the point where it just doesn't have any pink in there. Found that if you're going to cook steaks and save them for the truck, cook them a little on the rare side, and that way when you have to reheat them, they stay a good medium consistency, and they'll still have plenty of flavor and be pretty juicy. And we're just going to go ahead and take the steak here and put it on our taco bread, make some wraps out of it. That's some gourmet trucking food right there. Beats the hell out of some top ramen or some macaroni and cheese. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you want some more truck stop cooking tips, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I'll make some more videos like this. And I'll catch y'all next time. And as always, attack life. Never apologize.